今天我们要学的是叫 compound 复合物。Compound are produced through the mixing of two or more elements chemically， 就是它必须要化学，必须要加热才结合的一个成品。Example， 我们有 water， 就是 H2O、ammonia NH3、carbon dioxide、CO2。我们会学4种方法。第一个呢是 when the metal is heated with oxygen to produce metal oxide. For example, calcium react with oxygen to produce calcium oxide. Aluminium react with oxygen to produce aluminium oxide. 你可以看到 silver color 的 calcium， 当它拿去烧过后，它 react with oxygen 就变成粉状的 calcium oxide。第二个方法 some metals such as sodium, potassium and calcium react with water to produce metal hydroxide and release hydrogen. Potassium react with water to produce sodium hydroxide and release hydrogen. Potassium react with water to produce potassium hydroxide and release hydrogen. So 你可以看到，如果你拿个 gas hydrogen 遇到 fire 的时候 it will produce pop sound. 第三 metal react with chlorine gas to produce metal chloride. For example, sodium react with chlorine gas to produce sodium chloride, 就是 salt. Lithium react with chlorine to produce lithium chloride. 好，最后一个 example, metal react with sulphur, 这硫磺 to produce metal sulphide. For example, iron react with sulphur to produce iron sulphide， 就是你要加热过后，它就变成 iron sulphide. Tin react with sulphur to produce tin sulphide. 所以在这 experiment 你可以看，当 compound 形成的时候，或者是 chemical change，the physical property and chemical property of the substance will change. Compound cannot be separate using the physical method, but the mass remain constant. 我们要学一个 law of conservation of mass。好，它是说到 during a chemical reaction, the total mass and number of atoms of the reactants equal the total mass and number of atoms of the product。意思说，你之前在还没有 chemical reaction 之前和之后它产生的 product， 它的那个 atom 是一样的，它的数量是一样的，而且它重量也是一样的，没有改变到。Splitting of compounds by electrolysis， 所以我们现在把一个 chemical 的东西把它分开，我们可以用 electrolysis。比如说你要接电，一边呢是 positive， 我们叫 anode， negative 呢我们叫 cathode。所以在 anode 的时候，因为它是加的嘛，所以 oxygen 它是减的，它会跑过去 anode 那一边。而如果是减的话，那么 hydrogen gas 就会跑过去另外一个 side， 所以你就会得到2个 hydrogen 还有1个 oxygen 的 ratio。所以这个中间那个棍我们叫 carbon root， a good electric conductor。Comparison between the physical change and the chemical change. Chemical change 呢就是 involve 到 compounds 的 form a new substances, different properties, require a lot of energy, cannot be reserved. For example, burning, rusting, photosynthesis, respiration, and oxidation. Physical change 呢就是其中一种 mixture, does not form new substances, same chemical properties, require little energy. Change can be reserved. For example, melting, boiling, condensation, dissolving, contraction, and expansion.